The problem is we're seeing a new style of brake on our 204 chassis C-Class. It brakes all the way up close to the handle, and the solution is we have made a version 2 door lever that addresses this issue for our customers so they don't have to buy a new door panel. Since we came out with our door lever repair kit in 2016, and this is for the C-Class Mercedes, from 2008 to 2015 in the 204 chassis. This has been a growing popular item. However, we've seen a failure now in a new point. If your door lever is broken, as you can see here, in the eyelet or very close to the eyelet base, version 1 will do the trick and have no problems. Version 1 is less expensive and a little easier to install. Version number 2 is if your door lever is broken up higher and looks like this. This version is a little bit harder to repair and the part is a little bit more expensive, but still very, very easy to perform. If you're simply experiencing the floppy broken door lever like that, and you don't yet have the door panel off and know what type of brake you have, version 2 will correct both issues, so perhaps that's a safer way to go. Let me show you how version 2 door kits installs and also what the kit comes with. The version 2 kit comes with a carbide bit that you use to grind out the lever with, a drill for drilling the mounting screws, Allen wrench to install the screws, of course the screws, the lower receiver, and the door lever itself. Also included in the kit is a new clip should the old one be lost. As you can see here, the lever has broken up very high on the lever. And we want to start with removing this rib right here. Install the carbide tip in a Dremel or a similar tool and grind out this part of the lever carefully. If necessary, and if there's any little pieces of plastic sticking out, you can either trim them off with a sander or just simply take the little shavings off like that. Next, trim off this little tab that interferes with the installation of the lever. You can do it all the way at the base like this with a pair of flush cuts, or you can simply grind off the little tip. Insert the billet lever all the way over the plastic lever like this. Make sure it's fully pushed on. Now with a marker, make a mark at the very end of the slot where the hole is to be drilled. Remove the lever and make sure that your location is not all the way out on the end. Should that be the case, clean up the face just a little bit with the grinder. Insert the billet lever over the plastic lever again and use it as a drill guide. While holding that firmly in place, drill the hole for the screw with the supplied drill. Now insert the threaded lower retainer into the lever where you can see the hole and just barely start the screw like this by hand. Insert the billet lever with the slot under the screw and line up the hole on the bottom. Install the second supplied Allen screw. While pushing in on the lever, tighten the top screw by hand like this. Next, tighten the lower screw by hand like this. Once both screws are tightened down, you can snug it up a little bit with the Allen wrench. Do not over tighten this because torquing it down really, really hard could break the plastic. Now that the lever is repaired and it's on there tight, all there is left is to make sure that the interior door lever sits flush. The last thing to do before installing the door panel is install the supplied clip into the lever like that. As always, thanks for watching. To get your version 2 Mercedes-Benz door level repair kit, go to agatools.com. Please remember to subscribe.